Hey guys, what's going on? So back for another quick little fat date, and today we have been working on the shop demo car, or as most people will know it, Sub Zero. So, hey Sam, what's going on?
Just standing back to flow coat. So the car's just come back from Polo Bodyworks. He's put 4 layers of clear on top of the existing paintwork. So first we blocked it back with 800, gave it a bit more pearl, 4 layers of clear. Now we're blocking it back with 2000 and then 2500 wet and dry. And this gentleman, Dan from Dan's Garage Detail.
Hi Dan.
Is going to buff it all up for us and make it look like that.
Now this area here is not even finished up yet, so this is...
That's a rough cut.
Yep, that's your rough cut, and as you can see, there he is.
Just so the windscreen can go in next week.
Zero peel.
We have Jeff from A to Z Windscreens coming in, who's probably done about 10 windscreens in this car. So thanks Jeff if you're watching, mate. So look forward to seeing the windscreen going in next week. And then we start the assembly process with all the new Alcantara interior, the mix between Brax, Helix and Alpine, all going in here and making this car sound great. Get some proper wheels on it, because these are not the wheels.
These are not the wheels. Hang on, let's go for a quick walk and we'll have a look at some wheels.
Wheelie, have a look at it.
Wheelie, have a look. Yes. Got some dish. These are the front wheels. And there's a good 4 inches of dish on that. 275 on the front and 335s on the rear. Look at all of that dish. Yum-y. Oh yeah. Got tyre. So there we have it. Do a quick little walk around on it. We're gonna have a look at how this is all coming up. So that's all 1500, and the 2000 is happening now, and 2500. But we've got some pretty good body lines going on now.
We're still going to loosen the tailgate and move it forward by about 5 mil. So we just quickly temporarily set it in place.
Yep.
Once that's done, next is the body kit. Once the body kit's done, it goes to this man. He does the final detail. And then we're driving again.
Woo! The daily's back.
2 years. 2 years old because someone couldn't drive a truck. Straight to the front of the car. So how do you miss a little car like this? That's, I don't know.
Yeah, well, you know, if it's possible.
They didn't have a reverse camera, so if you don't have a reverse camera, come see us. Yep.
So, not only is this getting obviously all the paint done, we've got a whole bunch of the Brax and Helix gear going in it too, so should be a very killer system. So there will definitely be some more videos of this coming. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll stay tuned, indeed. But does it need a tune?
It does actually. So Peter, if you're watching this, it's going to come to you for a tune because I'm putting the new igniter pack, new alternator, bigger injectors, and like you said, that way it gives it a bit more juice because at 9,000 RPM she was running a bit lean. So yeah, because this thing sees 9,000 every gear change. It doesn't know, even in cruise mode, she's 9,000.
9,000 all day long.
It's a brat.
It's a brat.
Peter built an indestructible rotor, so I've done I think 80,000 K on this engine so far and hasn't skipped a beat. So Peter, thank you for building a crazy engine, and look forward to getting more killer wasps.
Killer wasps. Well, actually, you would class it as wasps in a rotor, wouldn't you?
Yeah. It runs on BP.
Oh, God. I have to deal with this on a daily basis.
I've been kidnapped.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back soon. Have another video coming soon, so go from there. No worries, guys.